I'm going to show you how to make a really healthy high fiber breakfast bowl. So I have grains, we have fruit, and we have some high protein dairy or dairy alternative. Put in about 1/3 of a cup of rolled oats, about a teaspoon of hemp hearts. So these are a really great source of plant-based protein, as well as omega-3 fats. Flaxseed, also omega-3, and then a teaspoon of the chia seeds. So that's a teaspoon of the hemp hearts, the flax, and the chia, and then about 1/3 of a cup of the oats. Greek yogurt, so this is high protein, also a great source of probiotics and calcium. I use soy milk. It has cholesterol lowering properties. It's a good source of plant-based protein. And yeah, I get the unsweetened one just to avoid the added sugars. Same with the yogurt. I just kind of fill it how I would normally fill my bowl. Kefir, so this is a probiotic beverage. It's always good to get more probiotics in the diet. And then just a little douse of that. And then finally, your fruit of choice. You can defrost some fruit in advance, or you can just give it a quick 30 seconds in the microwave. I got blueberries, raspberries work, mangoes work. Again, this is really what gives the smoothie its flavor or its sweetness. One other thing I add for some flavor and also to bump up the fiber content is a nice heaping tablespoon of cinnamon. Now, overall, this bowl has, depending, like roughly between about 14 and 18 grams of fiber. The cinnamon alone is about 4 grams. So as most people are meeting their daily fiber requirements, this is just a really great way to start your day. Just basically cover about half your bases. And yeah, also a delicious little bowl.